Hey guys, oops, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can switch between bodies and dress to impress. So for instance, here I'm a female, a woman, but I want to be able to use male clothing here. So to do that, just go to this section over here in front of the salon, walk straight and select put on and press yes. And here now you can, I guess, select men's outfit and wear their hair and stuff like that. But again, there's more choices for girls because this is more, I wouldn't say this is more of a girls game. This is a game for everybody. Even Queso plays it, but that's how you can change it if you want to. For instance, you're making characters and stuff like that and you want to change it, you absolutely can. This is a really fun game and I think you guys should play it, even though a lot of people play this game already. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.